Ikea pays $46 million after child's death. By Learn With News. Level 3. The global furniture chain Ikea has recently agreed to pay $46 million to a family whose son died after an accident with a set of their drawers. Ikea is a Swedish home goods store that has made a name for itself in selling simple, trendy furniture at exceedingly low prices. It now boasts locations in more than 50 countries around the world. Joseph Dudek was only 2 years old when a set of Ikea's Malm drawers toppled over onto him in May 2017. The incident occurred at the family's California home. The $46 million settlement is the largest child wrongful death settlement in U.S. history. 1 year before the accident, the drawers had been recalled after killing 3 other American boys, all under 2 years old. Ikea originally responded to the issue by warning customers to use wall mounts with the drawers, but announced a recall after the death of the 3rd child. The recall had customers return millions of drawers and was the largest recall in the company's history. The families of the 3 boys received a combined total of $50 million from Ikea in 2016. The parents of Joseph are justifiably devastated. They have said, "We never thought that a 2-year-old could cause a dresser just 30 inches high to topple over and suffocate him." The couple went on to say, "We are telling our story because we do not want this to happen to another family." The Dudeks have also promised to donate $1 million of the settlement to organizations who help protect children from harmful products. Going forward, Ikea has agreed to vehemently adhere to U.S. voluntary safety standards for storage units. They have also said the company would spend money on raising awareness of the design flaw by means of TV advertisements, online campaigns, and in-store warnings. The children's deaths have also sparked the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission to launch an education campaign to get the word out about the dangers of unstable drawers.